Okay, it was suggested that I go to Borgo Pio, but I don't know what this is. But then if I look at it, it says Borgo Shop. And there's a sign here. It's all just shops and restaurants. So, just got early, just had my breakfast at the hotel. And that's what it says. Restaurants and shops. Borgo Pio. That's what you can find here. Yeah, I'm gonna walk a little bit. Show you how it looks like here. And then go to my next destination. I'll just walk around this street. So shops, souvenirs. I'm not getting one of those. I'm not into that. Pizzeria, pizza shop, clothing shop, and souvenirs. That's what Borgo Pio is all about. Sandwich shop. Okay, so that's what Borgo Pio is. I wonder what that means. Borgo Pio. Borgo. So I guess this whole street is Borgo Pio. There are group tours. I'm on my own tour. Let's see. I thought I was just crossing here earlier. Look at this. I think that's a crochet. Nice restaurants. Getting ready for lunch. Souvenir shops. I'm not getting any of those. Okay. Bar, cafe, and food. That's what Borgo Pio is all about. And I think we're done. Oh, McDonald's. Hey, I'm not hungry, but I'm thinking I should try McDonald's in Italy, in Rome. Oh, look at this. That's weird. So there's flags here. And look at that. That's funny. Why do they have that flag here? Filipino flag. Okay. Filipino flag. What? Okay. I'm thinking I should try McDonald's in Italy, but I'm not hungry. I'll just waste the food, so... But curious, I probably just check what's inside. I don't have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time here. The last day would be today. Or tomorrow. I can always extend, but I spent $600 in my hotel only. I'm not gonna spend $1,000 or $2,000 here. Gotta keep moving on. Besides, it's not worth it. Paying $62 for a tour guide? No way. There's another flag. Look. Filipino flag. I wonder why there's that flag there. Oh! I was just here earlier. In that restroom. But, yeah. Okay, let me check the menu in McDonald's. I'm just curious, actually. I'm just curious. Entrata. Entrata means entrance, okay? In Italian. Wonder how much a meal is in McDonald's. Is that the entrance? Oh yeah. Okay, let's see what they have here. Right. So, McDonald's. I want English, man. English. Bag. Take that off. This is Italian meat. Oh, okay. They have variations of Big Mac here. They have chicken, bacon Big Mac. Okay, that's new. And Big Mac. That's the classic. Okay. My selection burger. It's kind of unique to Italy, I think. Double cheeseburger, and of course there are classics, classic McDonald's that are offered around the world. So, I'm not having any of that. So look at my next destination now. Sorry. How are you? Okay. Okay, don't know what those people are from, but okay. Now I'm going to my next destination. Okay guys, I'm on my way to Castel St. Angelo. There's a bit of traffic here. Whoa, this is crazy. Okay, so straight ahead. This is young bosses. Oh, dude, that stinks. Just walk straight. I'm just walking straight. I'm going back to where I came from. So I'm gonna do this. I'm going to turn my camera off, keep walking, and turn it on when I'm there. So, Borgo Pio, so shops and restaurants. I'll see you guys later. I'm like skipping all those best places you could visit here in Rome. The fact that I did not prepare or buy tickets ruins it all. I could have been able to go inside that Colosseum. So, Colosseum and Vatican Museum. So, also, I wasted money on that Roma pass. I could probably stay a day or two, but I'm not going in a hotel.
I highly recommend you to keep your radio on in case if you start to take pictures or in case it gets lost.
Oh, I'm just going straight. Okay.
Okay, guys.
I hope there's like a silver battery for this camera. I can only go. I think the best stuff I'll go is actually Pantheon. Hey, people are weirded out there looking at me.
I think plastic.
Oh shit. Move. That's so scary. Almost, that car almost hit me. Okay, so you can see here, Borgo Pio, shops and restaurants, you guys. So I think if you came from the Vatican, the Basilica, and the museum, it's a good spot to have some lunch here. These are, I think I want to buy a shoe here. I got 79 euros. And they're all smelling leather. I think I probably want to get one of these. Instead of using my drone bag, I'll probably get one of these. These are nice, they're real leather. Yeah. These are authentic Italian leather. And you can tell by the smell that actually they are real Italian goods. Awesome. Probably just come back or go to another shop. Oh yeah. I was thinking I can get one of those shoes. But it's going to be an additional for my baggages. I don't like doing a lot of stuff while traveling. Oh, there was this lady who almost hit me. And then it's just delivering goods. Okay, I'm supposed to turn left or right here. Let me check my map.